Maurice, whoever is over there. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Friday, guys. Happy Friday. Let me drop the stock pick of the day inside the chat here on YouTube. We got DAL. What's up? What's up? What's up? Who's that? Yeah, I'm in class, man. You know how it is. I'm a teacher. Stocks. How to trade stocks. Yeah. All right, bud.
There's one. JCXN.
JCXN.
JZXN. It's got volume. It's got
You just
160,
gotta turn your music down, my friend.
100 million volume. It's
Yeah.
a
No, no,
penny
no.
stock.
It's just people that was on there. DAL, SoFi.
CXN. Let's look at the audience here. What's moving?
Coin.
E-Labs.
Hold on, I'll get you there.
CRWB. What's that?
Eddie Money, what's good?
CRWB came up.
CRWB.
Yeah, core. Did we try this before? Core wave. CRWB
Mm.
came up on my screener. Options for outcome symbols is buy and hood.
Yeah, down under the low here. You could watch the low. There's a resistance here at 88.50. But we got two candles that spike through that. So You could watch the low here at 88.50 or wait for 87.90. Wait till it break that level. All right, so we're inside this area here on CRWV.
Right.
Another one that we this is Wolf, guys. Again, if you're part of the Discord, you'll see that these were stock pick of the day. You'll get that notification in the Discord on the stock pick of the day. All right, there's another one that we're
Okay,
well
DAL, the so
DAL
far
is
for today's pick of
stock
the
pick. Yeah, we waiting on DAL. We're not doing nothing with DAL until we see the structure get break, right? We don't want to trade. Not saying we can't trade it, but I'd rather not. It's untradeable right now if we didn't get in the right entry. Entry is key, right?
Yeah.
Entry is key, right? DAL.
Yeah. I could say I was one of those that traded in the noise.
Right. Trading in the noise. We don't want to trade the noise,
Yeah.
right? Not saying you can't trade it. You just got to be good at it, right?
It'd be fast.
And when the noise is happening, the only thing I'm thinking about in the noise is scalping, nothing else, right?
Mhm.
Nothing else.
No.
I'm not trying to do anything else,
No.
okay? But I'd rather not. I'd rather not. Don't touch it, leave it, let it do what it do, come back to it later. So that's DAL. Another one we were looking at is NVVE.
Oh,
NVVE. NVVE. On my mama know what I'm talking about. It's not like we didn't talk about this stock, about keeping it on your watch list. I think we'll be talking about it all week. All week.
yeah.
All week we've been talking about NEV. Beautiful trade to the downside. We traded up, as you could see the post. I don't think I posted yet on TikTok, but I posted on YouTube. Let's see here. We did post that on YouTube. Yeah. So you see, there you go. We got it from the bottom at $8.48, and we ride it all the way up. Okay? That's what we did early this morning. Okay? That's on NVVE. And here we are now at the top, writing it down at the bottom. Okay? So I went from the bottom to the top, now from the top to the bottom, or wherever it's going to go. But I got some from the top, and I could get out on a partial anywhere up here. Okay? So if I'm looking for something, that would be my day right there. It's done. Easy. I'm not stressing. I'm not going crazy.
Yeah.
Okay? It's there.
That's trade. Nice trade.
I'm not stressing myself. I know what I'm looking for, and I know what I'm going to get out of the stock if it move in the way that it should. You got to have a plan. If your plan is not there, don't force the trade. Wait. It will come sooner or later.
Yes.
And in my instance of seeing it, it more comes later. Because I rather it comes later because it took time to develop and then break out. Or develop and then break down. That's it. Once you get the concept in your mind, forget about it. Okay? So that's how that goes down. Keep an eye on that. Wolf. Wolf is another one. Wolf is another one that we were in this morning. Stock pick of the day. Wolf. All right? Let me know. You guys on YouTube, come on. Lulu? Nike? Let's look at Nike first. Look at the breakout on Nike this morning. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful. Where did you get into that one? That's Paulo Foxy I'm talking to, right? Look at the breakout. Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday. Tuesday breakout here. I like that. That was nice. Breakout through this level here. 43.43. Right? Target, bam, you're done. Anything after that is golden. I like that. Okay? That was nice on Nike.
So in the earning calendar today, DAL and ASIZ.
ASIZ.
The C is in cold.
No,
Yeah.
I don't have it.
ASI and
ASI.
then C
C.
at
Okay,
the end.
gotcha. Here we
It
go.
it's got low volume, but
But it's not doing much, so I
not
wouldn't
doing
waste
much.
my time here, right?
Yeah.
I would keep it on my watch list,
Okay.
right? This is not something that I would trade at the moment because it doesn't fit any of my strategy, right? I
Yeah.
need to see I need to see something like what Nike looked like. This, how do you trade this?
Yeah, it's
Right?
important.
So this is what I want you to get to understand, that when I open up a stock and look at it like this, there's nothing here for me more than to mark an area on this stock here. So maybe 26. I would mark an area on 26. Set my alert here. If it goes above 26, it brings me back to look at this stock and see what's going on. So it's on my watch list. I have an alert. Nothing here for me, right?
Mhm.
It's these candles are not consistently one after another. Look, big candle, look at that. Big candle, how do you get in? Look at that. It's
Mhm.
all over the place. How do you trade that? Where do you exit? Where do you enter? So those are the things that you got to pay attention to. Just because the price may be low or it have earnings. Maybe after earnings today, it may make a move. But look at all these moves from the past couple of days. Yeah, it's go up, came back down, settled down, but how do you trade a stock like that?
Mm. Yeah.
But I'll keep it on my watch list just in case something happens, some news, blah, 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 and it start trading like, say, Tesla. Now we could take you understand? Because we have a direction. We have solid candle up and down consistently, right? Look at the
Yeah.
difference between that stock and this stock. Which
Mm.
one would you rather trade, right? So process of elimination. I won't do that. I would trade this, right? Lulu. Look at Lulu. Came down here in big support down here at 110.90. Look, after that, if you were looking at Lulu, look, boom, up, settle down, resistance, sideways, boom, breakout. Now Lulu right here. I want to see, go back a couple days. 122. We at, let's put it right here because this is where it's at right now. Let's look how far back a couple of days go. Lulu up here. Let's go. Look at day. We're down here. Look how much we trade Lulu. This is a mess. Look at Lulu,
Mm. It's at the lowest.
right?
Yeah.
So what you think it's a possibility it run for the day, right?
Yeah, it's found support.
Let's clear up
Yeah.
some of these here. Again, this is a mess. This is a everyday thing. So it's not just trading, it's cleaning up, it's reassess, reevaluate if that's the stock you want to trade. But that goes to show you how much we've been trading Lulu. Look.
Since 2005, maybe more. 2025.
So that goes to show you, man.
Yeah.
I've been around for quite some time. And I learned the hard way. You know,
Yes.
and back then people was paying 3 grand to learn all this shit. 4 grand, 10 grand.
Mm.
Now it's saturated. I paid it because I wanted to learn it. I had to do whatever I had to do.
Yes.
Yeah, look at Lulu. Now I'm here cleaning up charts. Right? I'm coming, brother. I'm coming. I just want to look at Lulu from this standpoint here, but I got a mess. I did already mark that level anyway. So here's Lulu right here, right now.
Mm.
This would be a resistance, right? I'm just trying to get you guys to think. Okay? Think, think. This is a process of using your brain, right? Think. Look at Lulu. The trend is down, right? It found some support down here. It became down here as a low. That's your low, right? If
Yeah.
I'm looking at Lulu now, right? There's a couple things I got to look at, right? Here it comes down here, make a low, right? Look, this becomes what?
Top resistance.
right?
Bottom to pour, yeah.
Right? So if I'm looking at Lulu, this is where I need to break through. But keep in mind, there's a gap here,
There is.
right? There's a gap here. Let's clear this out of the way, right? There's a gap here. Look at the gap. So I know it's going to be noise inside of this area here. Look at the gap. You see here?
Mm-hmm.
It's inside the gap.
Yes.
Right? This is the gap. Boom, boom. There you go. So now I'm looking at Lulu. I need Lulu to break through this level here to get through here. Right? And if I'm looking at Lulu on a bigger scale, right? A bigger scale, right? I already show you one down here. If Lulu is going to go down, but Lulu is not going down, not yet. It looking for support, right? Bounce. I'm looking at this level here. That's the next level I want to see it get through. Now it's struggling to get through here. This level here. I want to wait till it breaks here and maybe get that as my target. If you trade Lulu on the daily, right? That's what I'm looking for. So maybe next week sometime, Lulu will break this structure here. If it doesn't break this structure here, then it's going to be inside here, right back down. Right? But if I'm looking at Lulu on a bigger scale, look at the bigger scale I'm looking at Lulu. I'm thinking ahead. This is what I want to see Lulu do. Right? And if Lulu is not going to do that, that's one, right? Get that out of there. This is another level that I'm looking at Lulu. I'm just thinking ahead. Inside this zone here. It can't get through this structure, right? I want to see something like this on Lulu, right?
Yes.
And if it's going to do that, then this is what I'm going to be looking for. This. So I have all the possibility that I'm waiting for if I'm going to make the move on Lulu. All right? And I have to go through these decisions in my mind or plan it on the chart just to see what's going to happen and take advantage of that to see whichever one shows up first.
Yeah. Patience.
Exactly. You got it, man. Hey, listen, man.
Yes,
Hey, I do what I do because I know what I know. And because of that, it makes trading a lot easier for me. All right, go back to the SPY, and I want you to talk about this SPY here. There you go. You see that, brother? I don't have to do nothing because I know what I know. And I showed it to you, and look what's happened. Look at both. That's what happened.
Yes.
And we planned this ahead of time. We planned it ahead of time. There you go. The gap. Boom. Profit window. Resistance. Anything over the resistance going to put you in the next profit window. You enter, boom. Anything inside here is golden.
Yes.
We just need the volume to continue to come up. Again, kick this out of the way. Kick that out. Kick this out. Kick that out. Keep the gap. Keep this, kick that out. We got the gap. We got resistance. Right?
Mm-hmm.
We got low. We got low.
Mhm.
We got another resistance here, right? So we're going to keep that as this here. So for today, the SPY is trading for today. We're not looking at what it was yesterday. For today, the SPY is only trading from what? 748 and what? 753.49. It came down here. Bam. Look what it did. Closed the gap. Down. Came right back up. Closed the gap up. Come back down a quarter of it inside the gap to this support level here and bounce off that. Boom. Close the gap again. Right? Now we're
Yes.
here. Right? In the process of that, we could have get ahead on this trade here if you was looking at it like this. Okay?
Sure.
Right? You could have get ahead of it like this. All right? I don't have to fight with the market because I know what I'm looking for. As long as the stock's set up for that, I'm gonna get it. If the volume is there. If the volume is not there, I'm not gonna take the trade.
Mhm.
I have to make the decision, am I gonna scalp it or take it through a level? Another level you could have taken it through is through the VWAP. And it's not all the time you could take VWAP trade because sometimes we what? We get VWAP and get rejected.
Yes.
So the volume got to be coming through and up, and the trend got to be up. Right? There go the SPY. Again, guys, I'm not here to give you misinformation. I'm going off what the market is giving me. I'm always going to trade what the market is giving me. I'm not going to go beyond that. Did you want to trade at this area in the market? This area at open? No way. No way I wanted to trade this area in the market. Let it settle down. Let all the noise get filter out. And then wait. Look at SoFi. Now I could finish with SoFi. Look at SoFi. Look. Boom, bam, done. Can it go down more? Yes. It's underneath the 50 RSI. Yeah, it could go down.
Mhm.
Yes, it could go down. Right? Or I'll wait for it to hit my entry and I'm out, and I'll look to trade it if the trend changes right back up. But
Yeah.
now we know that. Look at SoFi right here. Support. What's the next thing I'm looking for? These, what could happen here now? So the possibility is SoFi stay inside this zone here, right? And then down, right? That's one possibility. We're not doing anything inside here until we break here or we break there. 19 or 1860. That's what I'm looking for. Okay? Or if it's going to change direction, this is what I'm going to be looking for. Bam, 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 bam. And I'm going to look for this area here to be broken. We break this down before markets start opening, guys, so we could take advantage of the market. Yeah, trust the technical and the signal. Yeah, absolutely, brother. I mean, you know, that's what we do at 9 o'clock to 9:30, the pre-market level. And if we see a setup at pre-market level, then we take advantage of it, and we could be done trading before the market even open. We could be done trading before the market even open. If you want to see a bigger chart, guys, come on to YouTube at the Zen Zone 01. I need some coffee here. Let's go, man. Let's put some music on in the meantime. Hello, everybody on TikTok. What's up? Again, if you want to see a bigger chart, come over to the Zen Zone on YouTube. Come over to the Zen Zone on YouTube. You see a bigger chart. That's where I'm going to be trading from moving forward. Okay? I'm over there now. We get it cranking over there. Send everybody over there on YouTube. Send them over to send everybody over from TikTok to YouTube. Be a part of that. Let's go. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, let you know when we go live. Get over there now, because next year I'm gonna be broadcasting. I'm only gonna be posting on TikTok. I won't be going live. Trust the process. Oh my God. Woo-hoo! All I need is one mic, one mic. What's up, everybody? What's the deal? What's going on, family? Talk to me. Eddie Money, what good? What it do? Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's see here. Let's get some music on, man. Let's get some music on. What, my tablet died? Oh no. What's going on? Oh. Talk to me. What you guys looking at? Throw it in the chat here so we could look at it. Which one we went through already? We went through all of that. Nike, ORBT, ORBT. Let's look at ORBT. Oh, 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 oh. ORBT. Orbit. Just keep it on your watch list. It's under $5. Again, you just got to know what you're looking for. I know when I pick up a stock, I'm not going to trade a stock like this right off the rip, right? So I eliminate that. I want to watch it in the future, something change, boom, boom, boom. I could assess it at that point in time. For now, it'll be on a watch list. Okay. Look for a price level in it. A price level. Look at that, $13. And fail after that. Right? Look at this level here. Look at several levels. $8. Boom. $7. A big gap here. 630. I would say I would wait for it here. Right? And I'll send an alert there. See, I want a target out of it, then this would be my target to the next resistance. Right? It's looking for support. 220 is the low. I'm just saying, right? Not saying I'm trading it, but I'm assessing the stock at this rate, right? I can't trade it, so I'm assessing it, right? The trend is down. Look, the trend is down. There's no way this trend is up. It's looking for support, right? So this is where I'm looking at. I'm not looking to trade it short. I'm looking to trade it long. If I'm going to trade it short, I need to see it break this level here, right? That becomes that. On the daily, just remember, this is the daily. I'm looking at the daily. On the 5-minute, I can't trade it on the 5-minute. It doesn't fit my trading strategy, right? And that's how I would look for that. Alert, alert, down, boom. That would be the target towards the low, right? And this would be my target above here. Anything above that, we golden. But other than that, I'm not doing anything until I see this stock showing like it wants to break down here, right? That would be that. This is something that I would want to see here. Enough candle going, breaking through to get here. The same thing here. I want to see candle like this, break through here to get to up here. All right? So that's what I want to see. Okay? Put in the chat what stock you guys want to look at. ASML. Not on the ASML. I need ASML to come inside here. That was on what? Daily up there. Is it cranking today? Hold on. Hold on. Let me plug my phone up to charge.
Thank you, Stephen.
It's Friday, man. Again, remember, it's Friday. JLHL. You saw NVV today. NVV. Yeah, this was nice. That was nice yesterday. We crushed it yesterday. I crushed it this morning. About down and up. I got it at $8. Nice breakthrough to VWAP here. We're coming up here. 1445. Could scalp it through here. Stop loss. That was a nice VWAP break right there, buddy. AMD, somebody look at AMD. AMD. Keep an eye on that. What about S dot? What about S dot? We told you to keep an eye on S dot. That's something you want to keep an eye on S dot every day. So I'm looking at S dot. I'm looking at this level here on the S dot. All right. HW. Which one was that? HW what? HWH?
Here's one, but it's maybe for later, but FBRX on the daily.
BRX?
Uh, um, FBRX. Yeah, on the daily.
Yeah, she over. A lot of volume came in on that on the daily, yeah.
Yeah, that was impressive, isn't it?
That's what's yesterday, that's today. All right, so we know, hold on a minute before I go any further. So we know we got to break over the high today to get higher, right?
Yes.
This is where I'm looking for VWAP down. This is what I want to see. Got to get over this top here.
Mm, okay. See that? Yeah.
This is what I want to see. It break this level here up, right? It break
Yes.
this to go up. Pull back, bam. So on the way back down, this is what I'm looking for.
That's
And if it's not gonna come down, this is where I'm looking forward to it. Break this level here. I'm not gonna trade. I'm waiting for that. Right? I'm waiting for here. I'm waiting for here. That's it.
okay.
Anything down here would be my target. Back to support level. And lower. And so
No.
forth. If I miss this one, this is my second entry. If I miss this one, then I'm chasing right now, right? I'm chasing. And you got to
Yeah.
know that you're chasing and you're not going to take another trade. Let it go.
Yes.
F it. I miss it. Tomorrow's another day. That's what happened. We chase stuff that we shouldn't be chasing. And we get caught.
Exactly it.
We get caught. So this is what I would do if I'm looking at this stock. And I'm not doing anything else until I see one of these structures get broken and the direction change. Right? Say, get that out of the way, put that over here. The other thing, this is what you're looking at. Right? It comes up here and it goes sideways, goes sideways, goes sideways, goes sideways, goes sideways. Boom. That's what I want to see. Right? Right?
Correct. Yep.
I'm just saying, you got to go through these things and look, what is it what is it you want from the stock? What is it your setup? What is it that you come to the market to do? What is it that you're looking for? You got to have all of that in your head already. And then once you find out what is it that you have in your head already, what is it are you going to approach this? Where's my entry? Where's my stop loss? Where is my target? All those you got to have already after you analyze the stock before you even take the trade. You know what I mean? So those are the things I want you to always concentrate on. It's not about the market is going to do what the market is going to do, right? You got to know what is it that you want, right? Look at these candles. Is enough volume in it for me to take that trade? Look, that green candle was 46,000. 33. Look, is the volume keep increasing? No, it's keep lowering. It's not higher. Look at here. 123. 173. You see the difference? Look. 65 off the little pullback. But the trend is going up, right? It pulled back a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. Boom, resistant. Pull back. So I like to trade candles with enough volume in it. At least I could scalp it with that much volume. Boom, enter, bam, bam. Okay? Get back to the SPY. Look. You saw that, right? Bam. Right?
Yes. Yeah.
One time. If it breaks here, would be a second time. But if it doesn't break here, right? Look. If it can't break this level here, look what I'm going to be looking at on the SPY.
Ye-
Right? And it has to come down inside the gap here, right?
Yes.
I want to see this. If we're going to change the direction and go to the downside, I want to see this. This is what I want to see. Let's make this brighter so you could see it. That is what I want to see.
Yes.
And if I want to take an early trade on it towards here, it entering the gap here, coming down. Early trade. That means the direction got to change. Coming down. Get here. The momentum change. I'm coming down. Add more. Right? Because I'm already in early. It's not going to hurt me. Right?
Mm-mm.
Coming down. Blah, blah, blah. Fill the gap. Continue down. Da, 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 da. Okay? Again.
Yes.
AMD. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Coach, how you doing, man? I'm on YouTube now, Coach. HWH. So this you keep on your watch list, right? Just in case something happens, if something you want to see. If that's the case, keep it on your watch list. Now, if I want to go to the day and trade it on the day, then that's something different, right? I'm only going to watch it on the daily, and I'm going to enter on the daily, not on the 5-minute, but on the daily, right? I'm going to look for a position to get into on the daily. We know what? Bam. Right? We know there's a resistance here. So that would be an area I would be looking for. So I'm in between here and here. Right? There's a resistance right there. Look at it. So that's how I would look at this on the daily, not on the 5-minute. What you into, Coach? Don't forget, guys, I'm over on YouTube. My TikTok family. Roku. Let's see what's going on with Roku. Nothing there. It's just not for me. It's untradeable. Roku is untradeable. Let me know what you guys looking at so we could look at it. Dada. Dada man. What's going on, man?
Gang, what you doing, gang?
Just random people popping up on my live. I be outside with my gang gang. Put it in the chat on YouTube, guys. Let me know what you guys looking at. Alik, what's going on, Alik? Did you subscribe to the YouTube channel yet? The market is just not doing anything right now. Don't force any trade. Nima, what's good? Thank you. Figure what's good. Okay, what you looking at down, Alik? It's just that you guys could see a bigger picture of the stock chart. I can't wait till I update my studio. QQQ. Let's look at QQQ. It's very noisy on QQQ. Very noisy on QQQ. QQQ would have to break over the top here. We got a gap here on QQQ. So we just break through the gap on QQQ. So that was a nice move. If you would have got it through the VWAP, that would have been good. QQQ. Now you got to wait for it to see if it could break the top. Again, I'm looking at QQQ in a different perspective. I'm looking at it like this. So it would have to break over the top, right? For me to be involved, VWAP was an entry. Fill in the gap was an entry. Now I missed those two. This is my last resort. After here, I'm scalping after that. If you do want to trade and if the stock is going to continue, right? So that's what you got to keep in mind. All right. If I already missed the bounce off here on the gap here, there was a VWAP trade here. Bam, close the gap. Boom, you're done. Rejected. Right back down. Right? This right here. This was the best trade of the stock so far. Right? This is the best part of the trade. Now you wait for here. QQQ. Just know there's a lot of resistance up here. So you may get a pullback. So this candle got to be finished. Let's see if the next candle open up above. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. It's determined a trend, right? See if we could have that continuation. But look, boom, 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 got rejected. Okay? And that was QQQ.
Coin found support about the gap, pre-market gap
Yes, sir. I'm here. Yeah. Which one?
on coin.
On coin? Uh, coin is chopping out too. Yes, sir. You now got in the zone now. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell on that so you know when we go live. Tuesdays and Thursday momentum stocks. And then at 11 o'clock. We got one more hour to go, guys. Happy Friday. So coin came down and basically filled the gap, right?
Yes. It could go up or down at that.
We're not
It's
doing
up to the
nothing
day.
on coin at this moment. We're not doing nothing.
Yeah.
You're sitting there waiting and see if it breaks underneath the low. That would be the next trade to the downside, right? It establishing 1, 2, 3. The next position I'm going to look for coin is I'm going to see if it break this resistance level here. I could take a trade here, or I could wait for the VWAP at this level here, right?
Yes.
So these are my possibility, right? Here's 1, here's 2, here's 3. These 2 if the direction changed to the upside. Now, if the direction doesn't trade to the upside, then the only one I have left is it breaking underneath the low. Other than that, I'm not taking any trades. I'm going to be waiting because coin could do this all day like this. This is what coin is doing right now. Look. Down, right? Sideways, sideways, down, sideways, sideways, down, right? And now it's inside this zone here, right? Now it's doing this,
Yeah,
right?
that's correct.
The only other thing now, if it cannot get back up here, this is what's going to happen. So the only other thing that I'm going to be waiting for, it's for it to break the structure here, right? So if it doesn't break this structure here, the only other one that I'm going to be looking for is here, right? Don't make this complicated than it already is. Don't force the trade. Don't force the trade. All right? You already know this in your head, right? You already know you don't trade when the market is doing this. You don't trade when the market is doing this. Again, not everybody can do it. Some people can. Or you're a scalper, or you're a sniper, right? You could do it. That means you're trading from the bottom, top, back down, bam, 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 and you're in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out the trade. If you're not that type of trader, don't do it. Don't do it. Okay? So the only place I'll be looking for coin now is these 2 levels here. I'm already in it, so there's no reason for me to get out of it. I move my stop loss there. It comes back up here. I could get out if the direction is changing. If I really want to get some more out of it, I could put it right here. What else? Talk to me, guys. Put it in the chat. You guys didn't give me that 10,000 like on you on TikTok. This is gonna be the last year I'll be on TikTok live. The only next year I'll be committed to YouTube. So that's where you'll find me. Because you don't get to see the chart, and TikTok got so many rules, man. They be blocking my account all the time, which doesn't make any sense. People be reporting my my live. At least this I manage this one here through my Zoom. Watch QQQ. 724 40 35. What you guys looking at? Let me know. Let me know. AP. Let's look at AP. See what's going on with AP. Nothing on AP. Put it on your watch list. AP. Watch AP.
Another one to watch is Sunni. Sune.
E. Yeah, we had that on our list the
Got
other
it?
day. Yeah. Oh, look at it today. Oh my gosh. I like it. I could take a scalp on it. Right now, I like it. Stop loss, the top. Wait till the next candle opening. Ah, come on. I need it down though. Come on. This is what, 94, $4.20. Give it a 20-cent stop loss. Look at that.
Just in time.
Yeah. I could bounce because support here at the 70 RSI and bounce back up. You could give your stop loss to the top here. That would be $1.50. So if I'm giving $1.50, I need to make $1.50 to the downside. Right?
$1.50.
Yeah, so that's a 1-to-1. If I'm looking for 20 cents,
Yes.
you know what I mean? Ba ba ba.
Yeah.
Look, easy money,
Yes.
right? There you go. There you go.
To be what, right?
Yeah, to VWAP, boom. I'm taking the strength of the candle though. The
Yeah.
strength of the candle, boom.
Wow.
Right? I'm into the strength. Bam. You see that?
No.
So now I won't get hurt, right? I won't get hurt because I'm 3/4 out, right?
Yes.
Now I hold the rest. I could do what?
Remaining.
What can I do next? I bring this here now.
Mm-hmm.
I'm already 3/4 out.
Yeah. Nice.
Once it get through the VWAP, I'll move it a little bit what? Right there.
Yes.
And I come out with a win-win situation. This little part here, just a little secret, guys. Whenever I move it, when I take 3/4 out and I move it ahead of my entry, that partial takes care of the fees. I let that be take care of my fees. Okay? So the 3/4 is clear and the partial take care of my fees. Tesla broke out. Let's see. Let's look at Tesla. I swing Tesla yesterday. Tesla is hard to trade, man. Oof. Oof. Tesla not giving nothing up today. Look at
Wow.
Tesla. Why would
Wow.
you mess with Tesla? Not right now. I mean, the only other trade that I see on Tesla was this right here.
Mm-hmm.
Right
Yeah.
here and right here. So now, this is all the noise that you're trading in. And I bet you if you're trading this Tesla trade, you're getting chopped up. So this is how I would look at Tesla right now. It depends on what you're looking for. For me, I'll leave Tesla alone. If Tesla gonna break, can you scalp? Yes, you could scalp it. Are you a good scalper? Are you a good scalper? That's the question you got to ask yourself. Am I good enough to scalp this stock here? And what is it that you're looking? I need volume in order to scalp. Candles like this, breaking structure, breaking through a level, breaking through support, breaking through resistance. That's what I'm looking for. Right now, I won't touch Tesla. Here's a support level here. 408. Right? And then the top. That's what I'm looking for on Tesla. An opportunity to break it here, profit here. If I miss this, I'll wait for this one, then trade that one down. After here, I'm scalping. Other than that, I'm scalping.
So Sony is making a move.
Soon is right back to my stop loss.
Copy.
Right?
Yeah.
Soon is back to my stop loss. So this is where I'll be looking for Tesla. Can you scalp it through here with volume? You better be on the candle. Bam. $412 to $413. If the volume coming in Tesla. Other than that, this is what I'm looking at Tesla. That's it. And just be patiently waiting. You want to see something SUNE? Let's show you. See? Look.
Right,
Boom.
let's look
I'm
at
done.
it. Okay.
Right? We did what we did. Bam. Done.
Done.
Stop loss. I'm done. Let it go. Who
Yeah.
cares where it goes after this? Let it go. It go up here? Yeah. You could look at it up here now. You want it through $4? No. This is how you would be looking at it now. If we're going up. Right? This is how I would look at it now. And then this area becomes my target. If I didn't get here, I got to wait for that.
Yeah.
If I didn't get here, I got to wait for that. Right?
Yeah.
And if we're going to continue down, I want to see that VWAP get broken right back down. All right? There you go on that. Let's look at the SPY now. The haul. That's a good one. See the SPY? Right?
I see it. About 153.45. Let's see what else. Let's see.
Where the next breakdown is going to be right here in the gap, right? We know that.
Mm-hmm.
We know this is the top. Look, guys.
Could go up another dollar, 154.39.
On the way back down. This is what I'm looking for. Or right here. Now, this is what I'm looking for. Bam.
Yeah.
Right? There you go. Which one is breaking out? Alik, which one is breaking out again? Tesla broke out? Let's go to SoFi. We're done with SoFi. SoFi got to get inside here. I want to see SoFi break VWAP and get into VWAP on SoFi, right? I need volume start kicking in. We need volume, guys, for these trades to work.
Mm-hmm.
We're not going to force a trade,
No.
right? We need to enter, stop loss. The quicker you figure it out, the less you lose, right?
Yes.
Look, guys, look what the partial is doing. Look what partial is doing. Look what partial is doing. Look what partial is doing. Look. Don't matter. You're going to give back some to the market anyway. I could keep that. From 1875 to 1625. I will need more. I'll make it right there. 16. 2.75 points. RPGL. Untradeable. It's on the way back up. This is where I would be looking. We're ready to break this level. Here's one here. It's all that stuff to the upside.
Mhm.
So I wouldn't do nothing with this now. Look at coin. Happy Friday, everybody. So now the market is just stagnant, right? Look at DAL. Ain't nothing moving. Look at the volume in DAL. Nothing right now. So now we're just going to have to wait what market close look like. Right? We want this to come down here. Untradeable on TE. Sideways, we don't trade sideways. Break. Break. Target. So this is around 15 cents. Wolf. Keep this stock on your watch list, man. You're going to be surprised at this guy here. I need to see Wolf break this level here. If I want to scalp, that's all. The market is not doing nothing, so you stay away from it. Keep eye on SoFi at the VWAP. WDC. Look at that candle right there. Look at that right there on WDC.
Wow. Western Digital. It's
Look at
for
that.
money people sending money at Western Digital.
Look at this zone here.
Yeah. Hmm. 582.
That's bad, man. Off the low, that would be your best trade off the low here. All the way up. Another bounce off here, right? 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3. Now you're fighting with the stop. Okay? Now you're fighting with it. Now we got to get through that to get us up there. Service now. It's Friday too, guys, so just be patient. It's Friday. Everybody's getting ready for the weekend. But what a trade on NVVE. Two beautiful trades. Up, down, up, down. We need to exit here on untradeable.
Google is pushing up.
Yeah, VWAP. There you go. Look at
Yeah.
Google, how choppy that was.
Yeah. See what uh I'm just watching. I'm not gonna trade anything else today.
Why should you?
I
Why should
I'm
you?
done.
And the
I'm
only
done.
reason you would trade something, you gotta be 90% sure that the move that stock is moving, you're gonna take advantage of it.
Yes. But I
And
can
you gotta
see.
analyze it if it's at the top, it's at the bottom, it's in the middle, it's in noise. You gotta eliminate those processes, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Very true. Very, very true.
Don't go in and just because you see a little move, you're gonna go in. Go through and check all your checklists. Check your checklist and check it over again. Check it twice if you have to. Okay.
Correct.
This is all the noise right here, buddy. The better trade was right here. The
At the
better trade
bottom.
was right here.
Yeah.
Right?
Yep. Yeah.
Okay.
What else I was looking at? Yes. Mm, yeah, same thing with Microsoft. That better trade was.
Mm-hmm. Look, I'm done with Wolf. It's getting to that. I'm done with Wolf.
Oh,
Right?
nice. Mm-hmm.
See? Boom. We talked about that level. There you go. Watch Wolf. Sky. Let's look at Sky. Sky or Spy? Is that what you wanted? New IPO, which one? SK? SK what? What's the IPO? SKHYV. Oh man, this thing is choppy. Wow. Open out at 166.
Wow. Wow. Yeah. The hell?
We'll have to see it break out over here. IPO. Remember, keep eye on coin at 160.
Did you trade, what was it? JLHL
Yeah.
this morning? It
No,
just
I didn't trade it this morning. We were
uh
watching it.
it halted.
Yeah, we were watching it.
Okay. What else? What else is out there?
You see what this IPO do?
I tend to forget IPOs. Should check them. Vip-Zen.
Be patient. Be patient.
You always have this open so I can put your food in. Or this.
Spy.
Um, got a minute. Got a meeting up.
That
Wow.
IPO is the largest US foreign US listing that they're saying of all time. SK SKHYV. Put that on your watch list. Is it bigger than SpaceX? We might have to watch that and SpaceX together. Matter of fact, let me put them both side by side. Oh no. Let me get SpaceX together right here. I forgot about SpaceX. I didn't look at SpaceX today. Oh my goodness. Is it on the 150 yet? Yeah, right there. Mucking around 150, came down to 146. It's giving you a little bit every day.
Mm-hmm.
SK HYV. I gotta keep them side by side. They're around the same price range. I'm gonna be watching that. That 150 is broken on SpaceX, which I like. Look at the SPY, guys. Finally.
Yes, bro.
Finally on SPY. I'm gonna be keeping SpaceX and those two stuck together. SPY is moving. Rampas man, what's going on, brethren? NVIDIA? NVIDIA broke out. NVIDIA broke out. Watch coin at 160, guys. I'm stuffing my face. Watch SoFi at 19 at the VWAP. Watch SoFi at 19 at the VWAP. Watch Wolf. Watch Wolf. WHR. WHR. Watch Wolf at VWAP. WHR broke out. I would like a reversal on this one. Market is pressing higher. Wolf at VWAP, guys. I need Wolf at VWAP. Wolf. Coin at 160. Coin. I'm watching this WHR right here. Wolf at VWAP, coin at 160. We need SoFi to get through 19 to the upside. Tesla broken. Tesla. That's why you gotta be patient, guys. That's why you gotta be patient. TSLA. Tesla. Tesla broke. Anybody that was waiting on the Tesla trade, kudos. We finally here. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button on YouTube, guys. Nice. You in the money now, Leak. Good job, buddy. Once you see it, it's hard to unsee it. That's all. Come on, coin. 160. Yes, sir. You're welcome, buddy. Ça passe. What you guys looking at? Talk to me. What else you guys looking at?
Already know. Um, got a meeting and I'll be back on Monday, hopefully.
Have a great weekend, man. So proud of you today, man. Sticking to the plan. We hit
Thank
it out the
you.
park today, man.
Oh
That's
yeah,
what I'm talking about. Staying to the process, and trust me, you're gonna be successful at this, man. You'll follow the plan, man.
thank you. Absolutely.
All right, buddy. Enjoy your
All right.
weekend, all right?
Yeah, have a nice weekend too,
Yeah,
as
thanks.
well. Thank you.
Appreciate you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Yep, it's about that time. Happy Friday to everybody out there. And again, if you're not yet subscribed to the YouTube channel at the Zen Zone 01, come on in, man. Come on in. If you're looking to hang out with me, trade with me, you want a one-on-one, get into the monthly subscription, don't miss out on what we do inside here. Hang out with the Zen trader in the Zen Zone. Pause the noise. Looking good on coin. You see how we waited for coin to let coin do what it does? How we said we not was gonna trade it? Sticking to the plan, man. Sticking to the plan. We're not gonna get outside of that. That's all. Beautiful trade. Tesla is struggling at the top there. Wolf is struggling at VWAP. Coin is the only one that's pushing through. Yes, sir. Rock with coin and the SPY right now. Somebody should be looking at QQQ. Look at that. Somebody look at this. Coin is rocking. SPYs, Tesla. Yeah, they're still pressing it down here on coin at 161. There's pressure there. We need to get to at least 163 on coin to be any kind of good. 162.50, I could mess with that. We're just gonna have to have buyers come in on that. Let's see if we could make a push. But that's gonna do it for me, guys. I appreciate you guys. Don't forget to come back on. Here we go. If you're not yet subscribed to the YouTube channel, go to the Zen Zone on YouTube, guys. Get over there, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell. That's the only way you're going to see a full chart on the stock that we're trading. Okay? If you want to subscribe to the Discord, go underneath the bio, get the links underneath the bio. Come on in, get into the Discord. If you want to be a part of the Zoom, get into the Discord, get into the Zoom. All right? Tuesdays and Thursdays, we do momentum penny stocks. So get in there, get involved if that's something you like to do. Okay? Zen Zone 01 on YouTube. This is what it looks like. Okay? Come on in, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Come on in, man. Let's make this happen. 2026, 2027, where you want to be. You want to be better off than what you was in 2026. Let's get it together. Let me help you achieve your goal. You're one step away from your dream. Okay? You're one step away. Thank you. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Thank you, guys. I appreciate you. See you guys on Monday. All right?